Okay, I would like to focus on resisting the heels in Grand Plié. Many of our newer students, when they go into a Grand Plié in first position, they have a tendency to let the heels pop off the floor. I'll show you. They go into the demi, then as they go into the Grand Plié, the heels come up like that. See, we don't want to do that. We want to resist the heels from coming off the floor. Let me show you. I go demi plié. As I go further down, I let my heels come off, but I try to keep them close to the floor. Then I push them into the floor to come back up. This will stretch out your Achilles tendon. Maybe you have a shallow demi-plié. This process will help stretch your Achilles tendon and eventually, over time, allow you to deepen the depth of your demi-plié. And as ballet dancers, we want to have a nice deep demi-plié because we use this all the time. I'm going to go to the other side of the bar, so probably a better place to demonstrate. So if you have a chair at home, let's try it together, facing the bar. So we go demi-plié, body stays in place. I resist the heels from coming off the floor, and to make the turning point, I push the heels into the floor. During the process, you want to keep your heels as close to the floor as possible. But once you hit the depth of the demi-plié, as far as you can go without lifting them, they will come off the floor. That's the other thing. We have students who try Grand Plié, and they just end up doing something like this. That's not a Grand Plié. In first, fourth, or fifth. Remember, in second position, we don't lift the heels off the ground in second position. They don't need to come off because the hips allow the depth of the plie. So in first position, I go demi-plié, resist the heels, hit the turning point, push the heels into the floor, and fully straighten the legs. Let's talk about one more idea. I press my knees open as I go down into the plié. As I come back up, I squeeze my glutes and I feel like my legs rotate, bringing my inner thighs forward. My glutes wrap down and around, and I bring the inner thighs forward. Let's practice. Standing tall, hold the body. Don't allow the torso to go forward or back. During the Grand Plié, it stays very stable. So we go demi-plié, deeper into the Grand Plié. Heels go down, inner thighs come forward. Inner thighs come forward, glutes squeeze, bringing the legs, wrapping them around. One more time. Demi-plié, Grand Plié, heels into the floor and up. Keep working on that.